Dear children, last day I taught you civics, lesson 5th, markets around us. In this lesson, first taught you important terms, retail marketing and wholesale market. Today, repeat and it's take 170 page, factors affecting people, access to market. The people access to market depend on the following factors. First, availability of things, convenience, credit, quality, price and income of cycle. यदि ये चीज़ें उपलब्ध होती हैं तभी हम कोई भी चीज़ आसानी से खरीद सकते हैं। भाई पहली बात तो वस्तु की उपलब्धता होनी चाहिए, आने जाने का साधन होना चाहिए और हमारी क्रेडिट अर्थात पैसे भी होने चाहिए, क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए, प्राइस कीमत होगी तभी तो निश्चित रूप में हम कोई चीज़ ले या दे सकते हैं। इनकम ऑफ साइकिल हमारी आय भी होनी चाहिए। इस तरह से एबिलिटी ऑफ थिंग्स, कन्वीनियंस, क्रेडिट, क्वालिटी, प्राइस, इनकम साइकिल ये आवश्यक है। इसके बाद होलसेल मार्केट देखें। रिटेल शॉपकीपर्स ब्रिंग डिफरेंट आर्टिकल्स फॉर सेलिंग टू देयर कस्टमर फ्रॉम द होलसेल मार्केट। द होलसेल कीपर्स कीप डिफरेंट आर्टिकल्स in bulk because the retailers buy things from them in large numbers or quantity. Chain of activities in an observable wholesale market. If you happen to visit a wholesale market for vegetables, fruits, grains, you will observe a chain of activities taking place there. You will find trucks loaded with the vegetables, fruits, grain and unloading such items. Retailers purchase these items, especially vegetables and fruits, which are usually auctioned daily. The retailers then load these items in hand-driven carts or thelas to be sold to consumers. The scene of the whole fruit market depends on the season. When the seasonal fruits arrive in the markets, in summer you can find the mangoes, melon, watermelon, while in winter apples, orange and guava, chiku, etc. are available. We know that all the fruits are not grown within any particular state. In fact, these come from different states. For example, apples are grown in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. They have to pass through many stages before reaching us. First, the grocer grows fruit. When the fruits ripen, these are packed in baskets and sent to different destinations by the train or by trucks. For the transport of perishable foods, refrigerated trucks are preferred. Then these fruits are unloaded in the wholesale market. The retailer fruit sellers or daily vendors buy the fruits in these required quantity and further sell it to customer. Role in intermediaries between the produce from the farms or orchard and consumers. Many intermediaries or agents perform a major role. Most of the items there are three, 4 or even more intermediaries. It is not possible for farmer to bring this produce to the market and sell it directly to customers. In that case, he would have to arrange for transporting his produce to the local market and then take the help of selling agent who auction the produce among the different buyers. In case the producer lives far away from the market in another city or state, there arises the need of an agent who buys the produce in the bulk and arrange for transport of such produce to distant wholesale market. The intermediaries thus play an important role in the wholesale market. The chain from the grower to the customer runs as under producer, agent, wholesale, retailer and customer. ये देखें और समझें न समझ में आए फिर पूछें, फिर नेक्स्ट डे अगला लेक्चर. थैंक्स.